brand watch make house your grapes and a BM and a grass fruit account and I first saw Guarana and I just said yeah Friday and yeah kind of 5G yeah de about Montin Suntinano Pemo come Numa so most of my power ya to my dinner could do fear number now the Saw done out to me day our brow Tim Pio was on a Paco Numas our any Susan so bunny and so our Pomotin Sudi no and some 5G energy drink can I make come for and I'm a Darman just a foreign in yet Emma yet for an anno pay and some now short so shall me and seven finia you found say Italy me no casanano pay no my men found two of them send your Copa Italia final gamer and no some other coso our Italy na sama channel and so I pass in no and your Bobo Craig found say Atalanta woman some other Juventus and about gamer and also I pass an energy now much about our brand Juve any Atalanta Alpano I 7 o'clock room and some our Stadio Olimpico now just a neutral venue as a game winner and you cross your our Juve fear and you cross your our Atalanta fear our brass how much about some of the two of them said no and some I find and one and a tree one also at the title at your coffee now German second you know say referee now you found us a Fabio Maresca or no and I just some Panifono and some other match and Adamano Sashara could protect a Omoa I like Lusebi and almost bet me a starting game and some other both sides now just a many just you know, woman some other some season on the high. Yet him say Atalanta I side. Woman our European final and what you know, woman say come Italia final and so our primary at one that I say. Woman some stand a chances anya crowd woman some other title backo and some other coffee. And many just you know, you was Gian Piero Gasperini, one of the coach Atalanta, and your manager for some Massimiliano Allegria, your father some Mas Allegri, you know. Will be on some other paradinia. You can sell strong squad. Our brother Trino. Woman some match and passwa. Yet the update and Atema German second, you know, and some others a goalkeeper. You found some Matia Parent and you was one, and some other start our post anymore, and some Mariama Saita. You found some Juve and Wati. Obanya Chasa Federico Gatanum. You were Glessing Brema and Alfred Danilo. Woman, you know, my boys and I came at Abasono. Report to me, and so met me yesterday. Who cried more Adama Jufa. I have Federico Chiesa and Yakotana, your father said Dushan Vlahovic, Omo, and a match Abbas and Anna Drino, woman some Nabet Muram Adiama Saita, your father said Aya Juve and Wati, Wabako Aya Bobakua, your father said Aya Talanta, and Rentenberg said Charles de Catalari, Omo, and some Nabetinum, your Mario Pasalic and Yakotana, your father said Tion Cup minus, Ono, and Manchester for some panel, yes, on Bono Bob Bruta Kotana, your father said Tion Cup minus, no. Woman, you know, I'm about me Statiana tree and some amateur Adama Talanta and no update about free. What can I say? None of you are about to say your Bobo Craig father say Como now your castle Coma on my side. Woman, some nothing a year Syria B and I'll qualify and some money about Syria now. Okay, so now no Mantania Casa after 21 years a fee and our Bobo Craig father say Como our family gas said the Kanko boy says oh your assistant coach and I say over to me I can say be a de facto. Essence on one end, essence when it license in internet as on my poby, I'm not just any panam natural license. What are some judgment? What to make catch out, sir? One more qualifying, you know, your conversation in faulty and some no Kobe, I'm a Thero Henry. I just on some shareholder and some no Kobe, no Casai. Yes, so much as your planet, essence old start now Bruce one in Tama, not just I'm out when you know, and some let me out Coco Kama, and to the American can you know, Bobo Kua, your father said Como. Yes, one said 21 years. Our Syria B ne just the lower divisions in the bra. And yes, I'm trying to among person by South Cobium. One person by South Cobium, there was some of you at Jumani. It was started. I'm just a player, so almost so moto, and some other banning, you know, make this a Como. Yes, a fabric gas must say. Womo Epe Maro Ikadi, our Bo Adama Galatasaray, one one, and what is Joaquin Korea, our Benjamin and some other matches, Interphone, Yaswamunya, Womosum Apeno, and what you look at moderate, I can answer, and some Nadia Chosa, Rima Ritimono, and so bet me a Jano Criminal Consensa, one in Pape Abba, our Sabia JC, Ayabaton, and some other Sanyo Maninano, and Yama Etimiko Kametimino Kasai, Metisa Como, Womos. I'm Luka moderate, I'm a moderate, no, and some non Saudi Arabia, and a Syria, also a league Bakua, will be a full Sabia wash here, wonya de ebia waya mera oko okura na wotimi bo ne ye ento so omo peluka Madrid chabiam wo ka Liverpool goalkeeper na one acquire mistake I fan sa Loris Karius no report to me nyan se komo asem omo pe Loris Karius eno ensom aye biam ana chesa yesi omo pe no no sa woman ka so ye honest ne de enom aye Harutono brothers no na Harutono enuafo no yesi omo value omo worth ensom aye $43 billion sikaya de ye mo bia na adamasa e wa bra $43 billion no e chesa amaya juma pantinai wo bi omo so be so omo to bia no wo mo so na betimi ato ade abakoma enom na ye update fi omo so ye ensom na de abana akotana ye fa no sa creature Kvaratskhelia ensom na wo Napoli yenim se Barca fo hia omo pe eno wachi Paris Saint-Germain ensom na be ka se Kvaratskhelia no wo mo so abeso omo de na eba na deminya na no pe ni se yes boy ni agent no yes ono de onya ready sample wo be force se bia akodan no wo de na ko anase bia bibia tesa na wo ready se sakoba se bia Aurelio De Laurentiis just wono ensom na your president terma saida ye fa no se Napoli epanko dia wo mo som entrance no mo nkasai ene wo mo kasa na amakwan ama akora no som atimi extende na De Laurentiis as of now ensom na besan ka bia boy no wo extended a contract terma Napoli abama no 4 million euros a season plus bonuses bonuses say wo mo fa 1 million enkan na ni empajan kodru aye 5 million euros plus bonuses ewa brame no kasai no report to me say kan nyina no sa enkomodie ensom nagusu eno so akos ewa bra kodan no wo som na betimi extende enso ade amasaida ye fa no say Napoli ewa bra no ensom na kakran from aso deba na mame front to no say wa bra ko ba say enro bobo kwa fa no say Arsenal wo mo som abom price so and for the first time you say will be any obatonsa and somebody shira the busuafo now some annual the Arsenal supporters no or fan Piers Morgan and baby was for the first time was supporting Tottenham and watching Mesut Ozil and woman you know become so for the first time no one of supporting Tottenham ni na kwankosiaga and Man City for no and some akwaya juma simple na anopedia menseka kwade as of enro onsana Arsenal supporters ne say ai ana so humi o sheda ana denjen fai ko say hi na woyo wayasa ana mo se na mo bo no munya de na mo de man shabu go shark onim say me no kasai report to menseka no say man for say wo mo diri e ba so humi bo wai a bra emu ram woman se boy we free so asere so futuro ho na jomo kan nyina no say so humi ampa want to say Pep Guardiola no pay ye dema e wa tip of no so ka say so humi sadi we what ye do ma be sem fie su ne da bia wo she go Harry Kane munya sa chance we ya woman send it anu de wonu ka say ewrade ana chasa ampa ewrade si ba be hwa womo etim na se mo na tiri e pa say son humi South Korea ni akoda we ya wakwa serve o military mo ba so years ago enya chance we abra enya normal season and some other side boy because we bra kobasa kwaya 1v1 me kwana no say akwara teke bia city ebenya second goal ama Pep and a da from yi I just a bema ra when you and so na just Stefano Tega and some other say yes wo mo gidie pasa wo mo hwehwem na say report ni di can start ba say me don hu some ba say supporters ne say omom atwere e de akwakoma omom panifo so omom koku omom ho ama Man City e medim kunim enkwasansa omom ntimi ntena ho enya hwewan e ma cha so omokrafo enom aye Arsenal e meji league our London adebete yes Arsenal say omom be call trophy parade adan 20 years enie omom league na mo na monte wa bia umpoma na wutam na we say bia wakrafo yi ensom da yim pasa our London and Montes and Timmy Yajumasa. Yes, almost almost did about a boy. We be one arches and and some my update about fresh shark. Mammy Piers Morgan and so Twitter. No, now I did about crime and say. William Sandra, Piers Morgan, and he can't quote to baby so, and I net Tottenham Besha, and I didn't Piers Morgan, and was so could did Tottenham Fathom, was woman in the Pacula, no more so much such a Yasim Penina, and a pay production 822. Piers Morgan say, what watching your son, Man City at G League, as woman else in Alabama, Satra, who knows so for first answer, Man City and Yan League beer, and fancy Omonas at there. What's it, Yamiadama Westham? I'm on board our way. Now, I brought West Ham Elqua when we did here passer David Moyes, or be also so free West Ham Elqua. And I'm Moyes and so Elqua, you know, Moyes ever per se, or Bako on the high. Moyes ever per se, Wabako Ewa Brawaya Bibisrum Kubi, and some Nadama West Ham at Deba, dear. And it's that what deny Man City. Emma Man City enter into Premier League, you know. Now, when you can say thank you, I just am run by ya at your matches, Arsenal say, woman this can ever fight. Declare rights and so acquire and Tina Piers Morgan Bafadia Baby Alcohol Junior Messimo Grunwa City Besha West Ham 8 of your I just won't be beyond what we open one to San Open Jana say I didn't I'm a from last season on the last day and still a bomb 2 goals now I'm a come back to Tesha and Urafi it is City for the bra perhaps same on sign some mistake in PM or Penny so Casa Nadia I was saying with Ginny D. Archer and some update Tabasa so almost said David Moyes and I'm doing atono so now say yes Moyes and so crocodile come on now you so beside David Moyes is so penny nam anyabiano sir West Ham as to pay Man City our Man City enter Premier League you know yes David Moyes say Man City under 14 crown woman to me stop some the title now Gabesanke be a Man City senior team no and tell them more money to West Ham so and I jam Moyes near Okwayama obi ba Moyes say fa win na to famasa was him under 14 krana woman about Edema Man City krano and you say be a West Ham about me stop promo and I'm update tab my manager your friend say pap no watch and the sound pay make catch us Richard Meal $1.5 million I just am what about Ghana Sikamwa 211 billion and Kanisika 851 million. I don't watch them. I don't want to buy watch no ya makoma ko 10 pe on Satian numuno o kan makoma ko 10 aye 10 pe no wiase pep our bako $1.5 million watch anu nie na onum say the purpose also ascend the sun is sweat and ocean and no also in sa right no not just a do no watching but no abubo left or Charles on to me more watch way and fancy keke and matadi and kataso our 1.5 and a bono no I feel my manager and after the game was him draw my home and now me no casino one start to preparation towards gamer one some and West Ham ever ball yentia Man City manager your friend Pep Guardiola.
Oh, I'm tired. Relax and tomorrow start to think about West Ham, and of course it's a pleasure to give us the chance to depend on us for the last game against this contender like Arsenal. So we'll have experience for a short time against Aston Villa what happened 70 plus minutes 0-2 down. The most famous goal in our club from Sergio Aguero scored 93 minutes of QPR. We were 1-2 down 89 minutes more or less. So now it's Kudus, Bo, and Antonio. We're pros, so sick.
Yes, not just I know I am some manager, Fantasy Pep Guardiola, and I would tell Sam Medina except Amaya Jeff and Anope, and some I was shown so Menoka as a reporter, Minion said Chelsea and so born Omukaway, woman of Brighton and Alpo and a Manchester and Sofia, woman and Newcastle for game El Paso. Now, German second in answer, manager Fantasy Pochettino, yes, what catch England, a coach, Guy of Southgate, Tessa, Namia Duma, Shiros on the onya botresansa na kwada na fa so Ben Chilwell as abaya available boy no abaya fully fit into say any manager no pan nko dia wo betimi dia kwada na fa so Ben Chilwell and some akọ aye tournament ni bi na je okan nyina no say Nicholas Jackson wo ye Chelsea fan and say be a Chelsea supporter what criticize e be a one way or the other what can some be Chelsea what criticize striker nyina no mudika na nyina no say chances the onya bi pa ananka bi anka ye ka 16 goals I was saying Kawasha more than that you know Munkanu Sakodano a day about good I just say a better baby Muamba Sapon Abaso will be a fantastic striker a dear beer Yakas will be a striker I was one and suddenly I did not to be an Aquadana your friend said Jackson I was sound your money be a Timunya but from Aquadano our bros are your patience and the time and also Munya Adam Aquadana no and some update about manager and say Yami Adam and this is Washasi planet and I'm say na wo be di adwuma ma na so be se to aso ana wo hye se na next season ye ko pre-season ana wan kosi hi na fan hi ebe wura hi owura ne se whistle for fun ana fa Romeo Lavia omo me no nyina no enso abeka na plans ho for next season no aya asema manager no enso ade kotu dwa me ba aya Manchester so ansana ma me Arsenal esansa me no kasai wonim sa Gabriel Jesus ayobia na bi mu ogidi esanka bia Jesus ba ko Saudi Arabia ba me no kasa no predia me nya no sa yes Saudi bia no abeba so dia ma akotana ye fa ni Jesus onya ready so ba ko ba bia ba ko so aya Thomas Partey anso obobo to level si Ghana ha dia bra asi ane Nigeria for no kwena kopes kabra and say do be na some jump baby jatonum e ko chese you ho al en ewuram o China money ade bama aha no eyen na ya tuturu mabuo mo eyen na no mabuo ko so ti se wan kopes kaba ebe ha Japan mom Thomas Partey de no jemense kan say asom now yesem ayade sem komo bia ni ho a eno e ko so se bia Partey ebe sa peja aye Saudi nkomo no enso mada be sa so kai a last year summer ana me be to Kasa owura no sika fi Saudi Arabia banamasa eso papa a chese Partey tiase kwa afekura no wo be sika ni mapa a chese ni nyina no so na kakra firi mu enso mate aba Manchester born na Man U for game aba so na okay say this chese by this time last year na Man U ma je title ba komeboa say last season mo je Carabao by this time match Carabao dada acha some qualify for Champions League yere toto this year ho anya kura ani obusa Eric Ten Hag so pani anya bia na udi awerho say bia one power ball Juventus our first season na bia our second season wa bro wasan ka bia ani ma paja ani ma kama ani ma koye na fedie chese ejiku anya bia na hawa na yentie manager no o say ya na nheda han pi yentie Manchester coach
I can't feel like this. I can't express this because that will lower the vibe in my team. And we have had, we faced high problems, but I am always positive. And I do it with the players who are available. We make the best team of it. We motivate them. The morale was almost.
Yes, and no aye kakrabi and I my Manchester manager in here. Okay, sir, obi the messenger basa wan bisaka come on. What is bia bisaka be kwana saying and a city and a game against Bobo Kua. Ye fan Newcastle and what confirmation about say mo boni wia. Some Man U eluzi, some Man U a draw and I say bia Manchester ebe wini and a dream match no mo be adene kan say lap of Anna. Na lap of Anna and say yana o obi obia de na busuafo ba omo kono se bia Varane American no ase Varane confirmation eche say ye season or kono mo be bom nsema ma na bia mo wa chede bia mo di achane ne sa ne o ma nyina na eche say supporters na we view sasa sa ne o ma nyina no lap of Anna eba so mo betimi afom bia two lines na eche so mo kra no wo mo so mani na muni ade a na de me nya no say Varane de aye confirmed say na twi no Varane ebe ne de Anthony Martial enso ayo bia jamense kan say nyame ya doma wono some abeko jamense kan say Martial de anya confirmed as say bia Anthony Martial ebeka lap of Anna no ho ana say bia Anthony Martial enka no wo munyan confirm ye wa obusa player ye fa no say Aaron Wan-Bissaka aso fenra na man for the abase Wan-Bissaka na ayo bia lap of Anna no obeka ho but jeminya ni sesi an say yesem omunyan fa plans bia ngu akwan mu ade o san komo ye ne o san komo di gu akwan mu a ebeche say bia player fa no say Wan-Bissaka and so say goodbye and a tree our Old Trafford nyina no report am say kan say emfa and say report no start and rabesi na no pam no ka say yes plans bia ni ho and no some gu akwan to the yentwen na ye say bia game ebe na ye wi lap of Anna Aaron Wan-Bissaka ebe bi and as ojo bi ebi so otidi say manager no I was say lap of Anna e kan no woko and am say hey no mo coach wo bo djuma say mo say yam pam Ten Hag and you be say coach no so pani yaso kwa na djo be ka bye bye and the actual supporters was when me ni ba bia ko me temo so tete I just want to be a command you manager in here.
The final home game, the lap of appreciation to the fans. Clearly, some players, it will be goodbye. From your point of view, is there any question that tomorrow night is goodbye to Old Trafford?
Goodbye for
you?
For me?
Yeah.
It's not how I feel it and how I see it. and that's not the way I want. I go and to start that lap of honor for the fans. No.
But from your point of view, this is not your final home game. You're back next season. You're planning for the future. Everything's
but then also.
Yes, I know again some Manchester United manager no ya den excepts ni na dema ya je for me no ka say on say me be yourself Vinicius Junior for Ballon d'Or e ma me ka ye pass me be can story be chow say what is be free sa dan be say ko say bia Real Madrid players no be ye interview no mo start e be Ballon d'Or Vinicius Ballon d'Or man no one and no pay no me be ka edamili tell e dia chow say e campaign a Real Madrid players ni na wo bia den ho Jimna and Rob Bola Kurano Ball Sanchez man of the match no or be Shaq Yafano Jorge Di Alessandro Adiama for kind of George no Jorge Di Alessandro or run say Mona Musara Musilio Messenger Bobo by Banu Sebia and cheer passer ye chen born in the wasom Bakumi no wait you know they are show 1-2 what ya so damini Fabenku defender eh swing na chesani pani chama and you mess young Kokran Vinicius I say hey was it dribbling? I can't say dribbling and cheer pa and cheer fit say akwaya tweme ukofia wa obetimi bizasa nada na wasasa just and cheer no and you mess young kokra and any Vinicius Junior Vinicius ni munchi actually your messy timodi amoma so no maso and amayan I know ya de na den fan ko se masa munyasa comparison no and now refer so Jorge Alessandro and some Casero say ban dribbling Vinicius Junior top Leo Messi down. Chesano and some Kakafina Swaya and some manager Fans Ancelotti was say Yaman to just say one more Champions League final we are and your bone Serbia Tony Cruz Abaco and also Betina and your best sound Serbia Luka Modric Abaco and also on some best in train and my UEFA Champions League in Afe Yamu said you know and some Nabasiako may this a manager request to say Follow Mendy I was so much Emma Boy extended a contract, and what you almost saying Akadana, your friend Alfonso Davis and Kao. Now, your calling say Madrid coach, and now you are Champions League, and also one started, or if you bench and a buy, and no buys, oh, baby, I know Bono. Now on what trio over Jina to set Serbia, the attacker say 11, not just a ring so, and Alfonso Bedinai, now Creon Faso Dummy, Antonio Rudiger, and some Asloti Homono. Yes, many Janet the pressure as to say, one more Falco Dawe Emrano, not for a Mendy incentive, Mendy Beste, Alfonso Davis Ababadia, and just a Fran Garcia, our son, a probably Efa, and no Seri Adianos Ebesiaqua, Yadon Seminano, and some Amia for some of the Casa, many Janabasa Tibu. Started Champions League final our London na me ka na man for nim sa agro eno ho na demu tibu kotoa meboa e chese bia Andrew Lonin ebe konchen me san ka sa president no ene manager ni nyina so na wodie say boy no abedama wo mo chances so be Champions League apoya and aye 15th no eno so abe very high na yesi obi antimi chese bia okobusa manager na on current ro ba ma Jürgen Klinsmann ore fa no say Jürgen Klinsmann bono wa Bobby, wa coachy, or run say, I didn't Ancelotti and run automatically at now a boy no and a better Champions League final because I come back and out to Pebi near Quacoba Champions League final. And to the moment, Tebi, many Janaba decided, sir, yeah, get it closer to a yet day no, none of my goalkeeper, but dumb dear. I just a burning in a milliard more, but and also in Cheserbia, one more recognizing Lunin, said yes, I have Kotua, and about my according to Jürgen Klinsmann, Yentiano.
I think he gave us the answer already. I think by putting Courtois in there now, so kind of close to the Champions League final. Definitely, and he will get that appreciation by, obviously, by his coach, by Carlo Ancelotti, by his club, by his teammates, by his fans. They all are appreciative of what he's done throughout the entire season. But Courtois is Courtois, and there is a hierarchy in place, and probably it will get confirmed by Carlo Ancelotti.
Yes, I know. I am small red fan. Say Jürgen Klinsmann at the buyer. I feel young core FC Barcelona on Sadabiano. Yana me tied update about me see a season. Now it is Serbia transfer market. Your Druma will station Sompa 93.1 appropriate transfers. When him said that record there. Yakitaye Rom Dosu Koma Sede Sikobiano. Who said a city Kasa place. Yana me tied on some browser bonsa. Ebe Jomo Kwana Barca opening. Also, final possible ticket. I just say you mo betimi aba Barcelona. Joshua Kimmich and Komono. Womo dasudi and watch is having Simons. On also quite a say I catch us a bueno. Abaso Bobo fans FC Barcelona. Ura fans Bernardo Silva, Nico Williams, Ekao, and Eric Garcia ever free loan. And so Abba. Omombaso Motomo Kono, Jules Kunde, Ronald Araujo, Romeo, Frankie de Jong, Rafinha, Victor Roque, Robert Lewandowski, Joe Cancelo, and Joe Felix. Womo, and so I boys are queen on the bank one year. Womo Abajo Mokwain. Yes, Princess and Abbas Elkono. Womo Abaso de quote in the mum, Abaso de la Masia and Coronamo 6. Our La Masia said promote Busquets. I didn't about Bassa senior team. No, who call La Masia, Mark Casado, Mark Bernal, Paul Prem. Omo yan kwadam yensa yesi sabe beso odi bi ekọ president no hwe se bi obetimi anya obi amana ba be hyem e dia mo na Luis Diaz nso komo Liverpool boy no yesi wono nso se ne se club kwade ne so obi aso ko die de Barca for me fa no amane mra obeba wonya Barca obebo ne ne ya me no kasai a chese ne Luis Diaz nso komo sa opani bibia e find here. Oh yes. Man akomiano no. Fancy. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. I mean, then as I say, I want them for Asaba, Yabana near day.
Nearby.
Now, where dear?
Oh, about the Adum. Yeah, Tinkuma, your home massam dear. Then I'm your
Supama, you go Kinana.
Oh, Debbie. Now what Chelsea team now to Michelle Sagos na bon national.
Question na me busa na
say. Baby anko ti apakan mu.
Ase baby ade
league bi am anka ko pam ti apakan mu.
What the number bi o? Odi akofo apalati kokko hu ntokwa koye kukukukukuku ni nyina. Say the actually la re say ekosi say.
Na man you for crowd no kwansa mo kasa kra.
Ele say robot no say wa share 28 goals ala 27.
Holland will how many goals for Premier League? Rasmus Holland
yes already all. I feel all league level there.
But those times I need Louisiana more board draw last minute, winning last minute. Now we say more cockroach and I'm wire.
Oh, sorry. Now some one kasakra munya uncle baby and I'm uncle baby. Munya uncle baby baby I'm multi talent. Let me say Conference League now. Let me say. You heard him say betimi abom once your history mo Conference League da it once anka we be ahohoa say ubenya say
you betimi dem kwara na kura badge nkura no
betimi dem kwara na badge na mpanifo kwara da say na nkura hey chairman
Sompa Sports
ma ye sha say ne hye nkomo na say mfa free say enra after the game between Real Madrid and Alaves, Real Madrid dominance is already known within the system with kind of performances or putting it up. But a real game, no. And you want me and I'm a person me kasa about it. The edit kind. Other Gula are finding the fit within this particular Real Madrid setup, but unfortunately, teams are finding no mobi. At a young age, baby, I was free. Abba be remove Real Madrid and competing with top players within this particular setup. Because you see, on only position now, across the front line, as a right winger, he will need to compete with Rodrigo and Fede Valverde. As a centre forward, he will need to compete with Joselu and even Vinicius Junior need the same Rodrigo. As a number 10, you will need to compete with Jude Bellingham and Rodrigo. As a number 11, a whole crowd the position, a crowd the whole day. Obia Shedato, another. You are going to compete with the likes of Vinicius Junior. And as a Kylian Mbappe, you also have to compete with Kylian Mbappe on the front four lines. No?
Yeah.
It is penny age. And you man or Yanene Calancelotti Abbas body our bono. I also want to near Demo. Change said he is sitting money before he can enter into consistent lineouts for Real Madrid team. No. Or the quality of Brahim Diaz. Brahim Diaz Cologne. Eko being who AC Milan and San Oba.
Yeah.
Nenan Kran Brahim Diaz ko being who AC Milan Oba no crowd.
Sompa
Sports. Starter. Just say bia e mo ye di mini ofri bench abane na ba no ba no ba be shebi no de ko. Me amete yi. Adagule show goals no the talent is there. But can be hwemu din pa. Season no kwa wi akomo ni omo ye agent ne nkasa na nkomo pushi man nko loan. Onko loan. Onko ida Dortmund. And as Netherlands teams now,
omo the style of play ne be fit omo technical quality no e betimi build he should go there.
Okay.
Even Spain hono kra the likes of Girona omo e be promote omo abafo fro no either say okonya Granada mo kro mo kokko ibi ni omo makeka kekamu bi a you could be better
because say the Takafusa Kubo mu jana man omo ton ko Sociedad obi ehun ne modern ball
won Kubo ball
team bi ade be gina bi obetimi
team bi ade ni be gina Odegaard and Arsenal ba obo so Gula should hona won person be free kra na on loan now I'm building the confidence need to me because competition in the fancy who say goes 1 billion Real Madrid for any more on the competition there it will take time for other Gula to even get a chance. Now no more game the second 10 years Carlo Ancelotti so you 2 years say Germany to me Euros now Ballon d'Or na can hurt on the cruise na can fama no
oh no no asan say but onya sure so obeje
but what the nyoma gu nsene ania in 2018 Luka Modric na the Ballon d'Or
yes
from Real Madrid meboa in that particular season Obi Beka say where was Lionel Messi where was Cristiano Ronaldo. Let's not forget that these two players at that particular moment in time na performances no on and off and they were not consistent enough and I did play a massive role in that particular award was the World Cup born in that season. So World Cup born in that season I did Kylian Mbappe in that particular time was Kylian Mbappe the French league obono and the Champions League no went to me anya day anje but for Real Madrid with Luka Modric Real Madrid won the Champions League. Real Madrid esasu making sure say in the La Liga no they will push and at the end of the day no Luka Modric also call World Cup no Croatia they omo ko board day the final abra no obi ani day and na so that was the criteria that qualified Luka Modric to even stand a chance in winning the Ballon d'Or that particular season.
Okay.
My player and your goals and assist and you decide in terms of influence. Some part of me would agree with Ancelotti say if Toni Kroos should lead Germany to win the trophy as a host, there is going to be a shout for him. If Real Madrid should also win the UEFA Champions League, there is going to be a shout for him. But being a shout for him now, Carlo Ancelotti can't want himself go beat me and retire. No. There's a certain Jude Bellingham and Vinicius Junior within the team. Fancy Omumi and Nuso pray who wins the Ballon d'Or at the end of the day. Me has Jude Bellingham done enough to win the Ballon d'Or? Has Vinicius Junior done enough to win the Ballon d'Or? Baby, at least say no. The determinant factors, no, ebe national teams, no, or more Copa America and the Euros this summer. That is the biggest determinant factor. Both of them could win the Champions League. Omu nyina betima bibi ba so omu ko national team no mutim national team ni ko bibi a fancy ho any be determined.
But I said not to cut you, but say national assignment no. Say Ballon d'Or you consider to say players outside Europe. So say Koba say bia you mess ko je asam kan will be Argentina mo ko je Copa America ni bi ma. Then it means a limited Ballon d'Or to a club.
No say the criteria of Ballon d'Or nankasa in terms of picking players, you know. You are right with your kind, you know. But in context with voting, people look beyond their work. So, pick your modia, Obia Betimaka say, oh, this is the jurisdiction they pick. But when it gets to the voting now, hey, no be so far as Messi Copa America. Fancy, yes, I will Copa America and Messi Crane has the best player. Sure. Okoto abano the necessity supion. No, I told the amano. No, so I believe that Toni Kroos can have a shout. By fancy, the Euros will determine baby Toni Kroos bejina in this particular aspect when it comes to making sure at the end of the day beti maji bibi. Then na fancy see movie on na. Enra Pep Guardiola, Arteta, Postecoglou. Now league no baby ejina say no. Ni padodo na e ka say City ajewie. Per experience. Per nyomo maye bida. Per nyomo mugusu omoye. Fancy Di Maria. Baby ameti. Very difficult to convince me say Pep Guardiola and Manchester City is going to lose this title to Arsenal.
West Ham timinye bibia. Per experience woho. Any idea City aye in recent years. Sompa Sports. Final day of league title between many different teams, you know. We tired for more than 3 times.
Fancy ni nyina omde wo chibeka fom.
Last season the nkwana na ehu. Because no be say Liverpool far after Aston Villa 1-2-0.
And fancy omo make sure so matches our title no. Arsenal shouldn't blame Pep. I've seen say there are so many blames that are going around
today.
Say only Pep bo league and so far say it is Pep no ye the obey bia league no untimi nye Pep
na Pep why dey.
Na Pep why dey. You had the opportunity to win the league against Aston Villa. Only Fulham boy, go. When you want to win league, Pep Guardiola picking the level of say Alex Ferguson
on Statistical. To honor also build up points grow.
And Pep Guardiola have grown to forget about winning against the big clubs as the focus. And Pep Guardiola will maneuver the way around teams like Kessiano say draw. Arsenal in the board draws there is a no. But Pep Guardiola will make sure say we are Aston Villa, we are Fulham, we are Brighton, we are Wine. Within that particular range, you know, also to me a day or the show. Ferguson won the league by beating Blackburn Moon. Ferguson or G League, you know, by beating Blackburn Moon. And this is a man
Sompa Sports
to know the league, understand what it means to win the league, and fancy me. So as I'm not about the Casem there, you phantom chain. You bet me have a huge discourse about Manchester City for Mancini, Ebabisi. But one thing I don't want to take away from him is the quality of coaching he offers his team. Fancy Onimejuma, Guardiola Nimejuma,
Juma there,
Onimejuma pa. And he knows the timing when to push for the league, when to relax. Any bra, I was saying, any to me bem. Emma the power donor who said there be a league net you be bem.
So Arsenal any chance be him.
Arsenal any chance. It doesn't mean Arteta is a bad coach.
No.
Mo amoti one na mo support Arsenal ni na. Edu maybe mo catch say Arteta out.
Yes.
Mo say Arteta born na or born enye fe. Because Arteta needed to go pragmatic. Opamo Pierre Emerick Aubameyang young free team ni Mesut Ozil issue by no. We saw how many of you reacted. Football fans will always be football fans. But fancy, in a long run, you need people who understand the vision of every single coach. Ateta baby awadru a subo. A subo na no nemu no. Ya bona su Champions League in him. Ya mona su league in him sir. He will learn from this. He will become better.
Mate, meza me da se ye ne kakra ne na fi ya ba behwe ye interview me ba mic na me the virus ababewi but tell us okay me ba virus ansa na me the mic ababewi enti tell us how Ghana say bomodian ne braso bie na ye form na say ye abusua na ye kekere no enya abusua ketu akra na internet na so aye kama internet no so aye deni nyina na aye telecell enso adaroma essence ya restore 100% capacity chese no aye mo ambesa mo ya mo research mo ambesa mo ya mo project work amu here bia guidelines said they free online nyina na fei business associates amu din come over video call and over video conference calls nyina no aye telecell Ghana and ebeboa na enu man so aye come edama josem car register telecell cash na fe brand ebeka abusua no so ehun telecell connecting energies for brand call St Andrews Senior High School aye school back where no ana babe pram a chese enkwara ni nimade a cheche fana darama omo ye qualified omo nim de ana chese kwan mo fa so mo kire nkwara de no ye teacher ni bu on my meka de ba ko ne fan selling John o class o ye wan obeda because agena watch no we ye den abetonku nti ubewie ubekotwera de obenya na abenya nti school a chechefo no eye qualified omo boawo ama brand da chetimi akwa kama akwa no se watwe wasi ne mponya ne papers ne biya wo de ne bekọ ne agye no e form 3 ye be register no wo betwe no watimi atwa na kama form 1 form 2 nyina no ye je eye wabofa no environment eye kama your boarding facilities our science lab ye someone near kind of ICT center no ebuama abofana disuan aye kama pa ya wasin fosu ya ne rich fm our premises bako aye 0244
696911 0207 891004. Nane opening and Kasa Hazard Junior say we Man United fans will just play draw against Newcastle for Chelsea to move to 6th position. Now Hazard Junior da ben acquire my uni. Whereas we be fine.
Fancy Nyamiadum Bia come pass. So where?
Oh, Nyamiadum be fine. Saturday Baba she Brighton for you.
Oh, Bia come. We talk on us Jaumpa.
When the mic dey.
Sompa Sports.
Jaumpa. Yeah.
Was it 5? Now me Pep Guardiola. Auto watch 211 billion.
Oh, then I make up our beer, sir. Opposite,
yeah. No, now say man.
Mammy, we saw no so to Sana and was it the come million.
Oh, so now.
What 10 million?
Now show cry.
Your own friend Laurentia, what 10 million now? No, who cry about money near you was it now, but fancy. Make a mere who said Pep Guardiola ne Erling Haaland. Emma who said there is nothing like a farmers league we are say. There's nothing like a farmers league. It takes an extraordinary coach and a good team to render a league a farmers league.
Yeah.
Pep Guardiola edge league we are a 6 in 8. It took Conte and Klopp penalty league definitely. I'm saying so by. Look at the managers of that two in the Premier League. He met Jose Mourinho. He met Klopp. He met Conte. These are managers I come as maybe Ancelotti was there. Everton, Monesa, Pochettino, Munano, no more league. He met them. This is a manager we said they say on to me in fact tiki taka ma England. Where they are buying England a man abroso. Look at how teams shiver when they are playing against my friend where Pep Guardiola's Manchester City. So be a shift here no to team them. This is a manager a man for can hun sense be or ya Jumanu or Barcelona. Before I said there be Spain, yes, a hono, the Real boat ticket can be farmer. He went to Bayern Munich. Or Koya Jumani na, yes, one Champions League in T. Went to Mania Jumano. Then we back England. The GDA said a kick and run. A direct football in your born. He came in, introduced the tiki taka. First season we came from Mano, but to Timmy in Nioma right, you know. He's killing everybody on Nibesia. And that tells you how good Pep Guardiola is to me. Look at how he develop players or perform. You could say so was spend this car, but players no more bano. A man for was talking about Akanji, no Dortmund. Akanji quite said not Dortmund for you to train. So but Manchester City team no for John Stones by Manchester City team nim. On final mobile be any name say John Stones exploit in the midfield. You could see say ball no or drop it deep, no ball no drop it deep. Different positions, but still, a brand name to me, bo. Look at Kawakamo from Tottenham, but now he could even play him as one of the 3 backs we want to actually. What improve players are giving results, players are improving, and so national teams as well. So it tells you the kind of manager Pep Guardiola with everything that he's doing in the Premier League. Neoma waye ubetimi person be discredit with car or spending and all that, but the man is the governor of coaches.
That's right.
Alex Ferguson did it 13-21 in 21 seasons or 13 league titles, but this is a person in 8 seasons or what is 6.
So to say onya the same number of years afegi enya war Premier League when I say bia you be fans on the average maybe you bet me traffic and guaranteed crowd.
But that is the biggest that is the biggest test I want Pep Guardiola to pick up.
Sanko stay beyond
because Ferguson buy the biggest test is Liverpool more 18 league titles. Man U was 7. I want to stay
to just make sure
my cover. So on managing the bigger tech because I don't see where he's also going to get the support more than 1 year.
Manchester City. Okay. But maybe Barca also come calling. But Pep here Juma. And with the way I know why Juma come. Then you come to Erling Haaland. This is a person a man for who knows her. Say or that striker were up there and everything. But this is a player in the first season in the Premier League. He made sure say yes, sir. The likes of Ronaldo, Suarez, and Deco, Alan Shearer. No more yes. adapting the Premier League, you know, one single season or render now useless. 36 goals in a single season. Now you're 34. Now Ronaldo next Suarez more job than 31. We're making it useless. 36 goals. This season one started one was when Nimbo and then the mentality or say he don't need to be Rodri to control the game. The movement, anyhow, I would see making sure say bully defenders and making sure say create space for an Crawford is enough for him. And that's the mentality you need as a footballer.
So first and second season, 65 Premier League matches, 63
goals and a washer for this man. We said he was playing the Farmers League, but bad Premier League, you know, we've seen what he's done with Manchester City. Senor no crown or ye be a person who senior dear more can because what makes it 33 big chances, the most in the Premier League.
Whoa.
If you want to know about Darwin Nunez, no Jackson. So the chances are Messi. Any goals or Sarama team of Manchester City. Truth be told, these two trains said there is nothing like a Farmers League. We are say you need a quality coach and good players to make sure say or mama be a Farmers League. In some near Kafa, in some near Kafa leagues be one Premier League, you know, was something near Casa and no and the pinnacle of it all. But Premier League number bonnet me bar and I nimbo nebo.
Oh yeah.
Bam inform you know me on the Debbie. The way I know man sweat me akono and ranting my edge man. So kudos to them. I want to so I'm back to us to say yeah. When me was a Premier League no. All more than years on some bomb team on come by ya. Come Barbaro so.
Yeah, me come in Rami who said Daniel Sturridge Munina say I will say Haaland more respecting it because a man for in one then but no or your striker can be
or your striker
or some Bonabaso
or your old fashioned striker.
Defensive midfielder. Say defensive midfielder no or a primary role and or a primary job was onim chinti meregadeno. That is the Haaland discussion. He's a primary goal scorer. The ultimate job they say obeshe goals. Is he doing that? Yes. The numbers all produce, you know, a extraordinary, yes, a outrageous, a broad draining yes. So in an attempt to discredit him, an dribble, pass. Anyway, you know, I have never known since when you regarded top strikers you decided you regard yomo. Filippo Inzaghi was not a better dribbler or a better passer than Erling Haaland is. But if you respect Inzaghi, why can't you respect this young boy?
These are players who are predated in the box. Give them the chance and they are going to feed on it and make sure they are giving you the goals. Into my Jumano, more render Premier League say Kamia Farmers League. Unai Emery.
Who was scoring Mampon?
That be Asante Asokore.
Asante Asokore. Okay, Asokore na make. Emmanuel Kofi Boateng say once upon a time, Ricardo Vara saved a penalty in Asokore end of year Christmas gala and was given money by some of the fans, but a man gave the money to his. There's also the Madaba to have us to be.
That was my baby dance. What did you give?
I was Chocho.
Yeah, demand.
And one on my side.
But so when I am Najuma or Aston Villa, I think he came to England again to prove a point, or probably prove a point, you know. So Arsenal, they wanted to qualify for the Champions League. Went man for man qualify. Or before Aston Villa team were that's 16th. And the man said no crash on 1-1. So when your qualification in the Champions League since 1983, and so Crane said in recently, by 2019, Aston Villa was a team he was playing the championship.
Yeah.
In 2022, no more relegation, Yanisa, and Obaye, or Nimunchimba, and now we are talking about Aston Villa Timua about Champions League.
Arsenal are money time.
So it tells you the kind of manager we are. Arsenal time, you know, I think say. Yeah, only there when it comes to Sanu Manamana, you trust him say obey your Munchi.
Yeah. And I was listening to Mike. No, Camp Bologna.
Yeah.
Most sporting director.
Yes.
It's a money no.
Or your president of football matters or something or Aston Villa, Munchi. And look at the Juma Omoye. And I make us say, your manager, you need someone you can trust to make sure say you'll be concentrating more on the field of play, making decisions. The decisive ones. No, be at you what you free. That of the field. No, yes, sir. Say Muntin with that track record. from the days Sevilla mo any Roma mo nyoma watimi aye. So our track record in terms of OS Edgeman and wabe AD Unai Emery mene ye bonabaso. He's someone I think say watimi Edgeman for time factor intimate kase enya sorry na ye. Say ya sorry na ye ya obeka say oh waya de konfo boni a watena ya de for ho ama konfo papa abano ne ye enya sorry na ye. This is football a business. Courtois about say Lunin. Who is Lunin? When Courtois is fit, Champions League final, I say go for Lunin, madam. Dabio.
I be carriers the enemy.
Dabi. Champions League final. Courtois na number one.
Sports.
Over kasa about match fitness. But obenya matches ni be abo before they go to the Champions League final. And look at the saves and no yeah. In the last 3 games of our clean sheet in all. What are you trying to tell me? Enya sorry Sam. This is business and we are going to do business. We cry nya ibia.
Okay.
Mate, yes, me ba Michael Asarbodo. Mike, who ya jumo takwa pen?
Oh, yeah.
Space. Because be the message ba se me mbisa o say aso na so bi ma no.
Takwa Space FM.
Oh, okay, ne wa brepa.
Oh yeah.
O si mo ache. Amani ya. Oh nice.
Me boko tu kakra question.
Bobo.
Me boko
Okay. Mate. Me ba also why?
Swap post ni e nyina ya bro.
Aye.
Swap na put da me kona be mate.
Now consumer wa se nyina.
There be man consume.
Okay. Mate na me ba so.
Se me na imagine say put da me kon ho.
Well, let's take Ghana Limited. Yas to face and yas to brush. My catcher say yas to towel care. Yas say bana. Yas whitening. Nina a toothpaste. I a day about Ghanaian market and so a banner brush and so your monarch, a fair duke, your prince, our princess, our duchess, and your own Quadano. So a dear back on say and then Quadana Banamasa. Say. Bimu say a reincarnation for ring oma ya reincarnate omo wu sabia kwasa bana biemu because question akona be busa say no what must in akona no so wunya brush e kama mana obi nkan chere so onko brush ni tita no pa anasa na jo ansa no wa kompa so patience toothpaste and ya toothbrush ni bi e fama wa bofra no open ni susu bi sanse ne yenua ma no de ana da bia me suma mo ya de papa because bema piano ma pi na fa mema num na so be dana dwa omrash ni tita ntwitwi ni sinye ntwitwi ni tetra ma so no be dad na num sa amache no se ba be pema chafa o starting so onsa anye nkwanim o se ba be pekisi aye monum enye hwam ne ma ne ma so nko kama ema wo aye Jean's toothpaste and Yas toothbrush rewra wo sintem ema chese wonum etikam wonum ebe hwam ama chese wo seno wonum nyam enso ebe ba kama ba bi eton chese nyoma ne bia no kwa wo so pe Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a dum piece at kajet around about or aye 0501 390338 and answer 0501 390337 not just on phone and so enkasa Mike say bibia I find there
me da say bibia ye kama na oya stories in him now say obi say Vinicius Junior name
Jorge Di Alessandro Jorge Di Alessandro oh no we feel the better
I also
so to Jorge Di anya Portugal Spain be Argentina for now
you see. Should Vinicius Junior win the Ballon d'Or, many qualms about it. You can push that agenda. But in an attempt to push that PR wagon, say, you perceive Vini, Edge Ballon d'Or, please, let us not discredit greatness. Let us not be blasphemous with certain pronouncements or claims. Mepamocho, Vinicius Junior, and I feel no offer.
Why Argentinian?
Born on Drew, baby.
Football manager and a goalkeeper.
Good. Yeah. Enra, and there were a lot of people that went sentimental. Kasaya, treche, muna, and this kasana, kasa kind of evidence way. So today, I have decided to dedicate my time now to do a statistical exposition of Vinicius Junior, Kylian Mbappe. True or false? Enra, me catch you say, in this season's Champions League, the numbers, Mbappe is better than Vinicius Junior. People limited it to goals. I just mentioned goals because of time. But me can numbers are every aspect and not every metric you rate player. And when I imagine so I catch you say in this season's Champions League, Kylian Mbappe is a better performer than Vinicius Junior. And the evidence is here on the screen. Saint Madaroma. Moma yanko screens neso. Now you project way in front of Swansa in the Champions League. UEFA ne organize. UEFA war a performance index, a ratings, rank top performers every season. This is the Champions League top performers in a season. Yababa. But meba ababe Bobby Biso at the actual. In the Champions League top performers for the season, performance zone in here, the top performer for this season is none other than Matthew Mills. Our 586 points. The second top performer and that screen is an Ayawine.
Mbappe.
576 points. Hummels Etuno with 10 points. The third top performer is Vini Jr. 504 points. Mbappe and Vini Jr. by 72 points. And Vini Jr. has just a match to close up with that. Top three performers, no. Mbappe or Vini Jr. so anombrone so me paucho. Just as was shown on the screens.
And here UEFA 4.
Yeah, this is UEFA. Okay. UEFA.com. Champions League. And Yamana Mayor tournament. UEFA Mayor tournament. And I cannot use performance or statistics in the La Liga to compare the Liga. The Omuni now bono. This is the Champions League. Ebio Mekache there. Vinicius Jr. is not a better dribbler than Mbappe. You did not understand. Again, back to the screen. Shadrach, full screen in the BM2 or Mame. This is the Champions League for this season. Top dribblers. Check it. Vinicius Jr. is 64.
Mbappe
82. He's a better dribbler than him. And the numbers don't lie. Without emotions, without sentiment. Men can't accept no money yet. I just want to do a simple thing. Yambrani breaking it down. We take away the goals. We look at other aspects. Now, in the Champions
Sompa Sports.
This is Coca comparison matrix. A compare players ne nyoma ahodwa omoye ewo bomu. Shadrach, once again, Wadaroma, Yanko full screen. Now, in the Champions League this season, Mbappe ne dia washe goals ne do see Vinicius Jr. But Messi me here goals no me pedi ani goal na ye winning goal a J points man the team. Mbappe 4 winning goals, Vinicius Jr. 0. Yantuaso assist Mbappe 0. Vinicius Jr. saying 4. Hey, and Vinicius Jr. yeah, you create goals or create assist. But come here, chances created. Mbappe 26 chances. Ni teammates na sa omonya di omuntu mention. He's created more chances than Vini Jr. 19. So 26, 19. Passing accuracy 84.66% for Mbappe. 79.76.
Sompa Sports.
Mbappe is a better passer than Vini Jr. Now, open play crosses completed. Some are number track cross need a sim. Omo yina epe. Next, Vini Jr. no idea yes you onim ye. Near crossing or cheno. Mbappe ne bosh ye. Ana dribbling ne kwana entry no. Mbappe ya de no, which I showed you. True balls. Mbappe ni mbose no. Wabo 4. Vini Jr. ma ye 2. Lay off. And then I'm a trainer be a mama back you na back to space no be a fa ho akobono. Mbappe 17, Vini Jr. 5. Forward passes, some major ball na mantria. Me bobo ne di akomenim. Mbappe ama ye 69. Take ons overrun 9. Vini Jr. forward passes ye 33. Take ons overrun 5. Now duels contested. Some major ball me ba. Vala so ye defender. O de shia me na mentwen. Me ne wo si mpuni mpu, me ne wo ko, me ne wo twen. Vinicius Jr. dear 112. Mbappe 117. Ebusuafo numbers do not tell a lie. Take-ons completed. Meshia na matcheono. I was able to complete 36. Vini Jr. completed 29. Take-on success rate in terms of percentage. Vinicius Jr. 48.3. Mbappe 54.5.
Sompa Sports.
The numbers on the screen. So when I mentioned yesterday, said numbers no. Mbappe is a better performer in the Champions League than Vini Jr. Na nya time bi na metan no. But na dear miminim ana maker and so they are true.
Mami borrow be 30 seconds of your time find man for consensus on the bar. Well, Kobe Anderson say ask them why Perez is still chasing Mbappe. Mbappe is more powerful on and off the pitch. He will be the only player in Madrid history to have higher image rights. Mbappe is Mbappe is the end of too far no about cancel. So while Emmanuel Amanin essay you have to check the matches both played in the Champions Leagues. No. We so say where Chris Lamp made or say please don't compare Trasako to Zongo. Gap no wa. Mbappe and Okwamano. Na Mbappe ne far better chain. Vinicius or say Vini has played less Champions League games this season. Philip Mensah Anderson and Philip Adebayo. Afei Wenso Kwesi Mark say Mbappe is currently the best player on the planet. And Kwesi Mark and so didn't and so by back and forth. And don't come melody so say thank you Katachi and I would buy.
No problem. So Yatias yes a Champions League no. Se Vini Junior
Sompa Sports.
Mbappe numbers ne bro ne so Varas, on the evidence of the pink sheet, Mame, Champions League goes against big teams. And no, because Mbappe no on to me share big teams. Na Vini Junior they share big teams or share me patch or Wadaroma. But they are pink sheet
Mbappe in the UEFA Champions League against opponent. 4 matches played against Barcelona, was 6 goals. 7 matches played against Bayern Munich, was 3 goals. 4 matches played against Juventus, 4 goals. 2 matches against Liverpool, was 1. 2 against Milan, was 1. 8 against Dortmund, was 4. 5 against Madrid, was 3. And we are facing 23 different opponents, was 19. And no, we fail to score against 4 pair. And then Atlanta, Moscow, Leverkusen, and Napoli. UEFA Champions knockout stage was 20 goals.
And Tiakesia no, also knockout was saying.
UEFA knockout stage no, Mbappe was 20 goals.
Say knockout stage
no, was 20 goals. Vini Junior DNA. Against Liverpool, about 5 games, was 5 goals.
Thank you.
Against Man City, about 2 games, was 2 goals. Against Bayern, about 2 games, was 2 goals.
And only big teams, no.
And only big teams. Went to share Chelsea in 4 matches. In 5 matches. Went to share Milan in 4 matches. PSG, Atlanta. Knockout stage, was 10 goals.
Vini Junior has 10 goals in the knockout stage, the creme de la creme of the Champions League. Mbappe has 20. I was telling you this boy, as a teenager, now or the Monaco, Pep Guardiola's Man City, the film in the Champions League. I am telling you, recency bias will make you forget Mbappe.
Sompa Sports.
And away from the Champions League fancy, even in the La Liga, I am telling you for a fact, Musi Vini Jr. a chance creator or a day in the top 5, he will not rank in there.
La Liga.
I am telling you for a
top
fact.
5 creators.
Please, I don't lie because I do a numbers game. Now, this is La Liga stat. X value, AI, a platformer, artificial intelligence. Into a mononym way, now I say me a way fan into mema way de na favor no. A computer generated, and they have tabled everything together. Where no Shadrach, Wadaroma, Yanko full screen no, NBABM, Yantra de. Now, these are the top scorers in the La Liga. Fancy. Top 5 scorers. Vinicius Junior Nim. Yesterday, I told you, say he is not the one leading the Madrid charge. He is part of their leaders. Or can leaders know me? Don't worry. He is not. I am repeating. He is not their leader. He is one of the leaders. Dear Vini Junior, you know. Ebiana Bellingham. Vini Junior and Bro Bellingham, so the contributions are coming. So in terms of goals, he is not here. Assist to Sunewa fancy. Assist top 5. Vini Junior Nim. Already in terms of dribbles, 5 top 5 on Nim.
Obi usube make case oprat na few 2 months.
Fancy na dia na moye na bi mu nya suspension ni ade. Ye be yi Ballon d'Or na be ka se wo otine
Sompa Sports.
Dia na moye ye ne sa no. Mama nkomo ne ye din o. And now the sentiments we are doing a display. Me catch you say a statistical exposition. Statistics no say otine few 2 months and 20 me anya den. Not every player here has played all matches. Not every player here. And in the La Liga, again, Yanshe, for a year open play, chances created near there, Vinicius Junior has not created more chances. In the year top 5 for La Liga, onim any chances created La Liga. Okay, Gundogan and that's true.
This season.
This season, please. Iago Aspas. A year Alex Baina.
Alex Baina.
Isco. Tony Cruz.
Isco na nan be say out of the 28 matches, wajimu 19 man of the match.
Man of the match, yeah. And chance creation, Ewa La Liga, mu top 5. Vini Jr. is not in there. So assists are on him top 5. Goals are on him top 5. Chance creation on him top 5. And even for dribbles. See, Vinicius Jr. is not the best dribbler in the league. Anyway, the best dribbler in the history of this season's La Liga, Savio of Girona, the Otosumienu, Nico Williams of Athletic Bilbao, Isco of Real Betis, Mason Greenwood ni Vinicius action 63.
Was it Mason Greenwood?
Mason Greenwood and Vinicius Jr. The same number of dribbles in the league. And the whole of Europe, top 5 leagues now, the best dribbler is Kudus Mohamed.
Yeah.
So please,
the whole of Europe this season.
Top 5 leagues now this season.
Yes.
Kudus is the best dribbler.
Yeah.
So I'm only telling you the truth. And the truth is Vinicius Jr. still has to catch up with Mbappe because Abrante no fi France no on the Otesoro and or transfer Vini ebefro ababetono, and this will end the statistical exposition of the two players.
Mike Hano. Fancy Mike Hano kra.
Oh, are they?
Mike Hano Vinicius Jr. ne Mbappe asem no.
Why?
Vinny is an upcoming player. I think Vinny finding the fit to the level of, oh yes, I'm being serious. Obia World Cup final, me no dominate World Cup final. Watch big, we are seeing a big match for an HN World Cup final. No. Let's be honest. If you are seeing what is the pinnacle of world football? Who the fans who are
the World Cup?
The pinnacle of world football.
The World Cup.
Almost like Champions League.
It's never the Champions League.
A World Cup.
It's the World Cup. It's no bia to me bia so person ko buza won so utifie bia wani abre ho no so na World Cup ni bia abeko
na Brazil for no
Champions League
omo ye play announcement now so mo ba no mani a chepa
ho wants to go to the World Cup.
Omo minimum nkomo ni we ndi e beto aso ye wo da bibre de to aso nti Michael Asarebodu ne Michael Akomia na Ricardo Varas e de yahwem ye ba ne aba be din nkomo real quick the next 10 minutes my ne ayefana herbal 777 Indian herbal empere for enkasa Majid Bibia I find it.
Adachi nyame adum boko.
Oh, okay. How many years ni?
Ko be 12 years and I do.
To can be say. So 12 years now the year be a cry 1,000 Ghana. Wow, 12 years be say no. What Majid boy come on kakra because when him say final for no so product na your product him say we won mo hu him say be I be ni ante boy come on kakra
say yeah no you deal with natural way I dey etu ya dey domase
okay
you know himself it 3 day no I na mo no you no bina e so powerful a wo mo e dey sayade akese bi enne yetidin ase na de tie nie wo say niama wo say sa ne ade we ekura me say ya we ahomachem enya ade bia bebre na ate edin ahomachem da e wo de ye ba be ka ho asema kire we odi aba ye ba be ka ho asema kire fana heba ya de 7 pe na ye di ho dwuma first ya de hepatitis B me pa chaw ya de we ama enipa bebre so utu kwan na ye lab ne kasa yade wo bi wo so ye ma wonko because e very dangerous e ya harawo mu yade brebo no e ka no pe e chewo wo so a ne kono e den enti no ye wo natural way e di treat ye no bina ye so powerful Sompa wo be no just 42 days ase be tu kra de ama asema ye kan wa ha kire obi ayi todo 100% wono ma to ye no ebi no e di adanse ye hu se ampa enya aguro bi na ye di wo ha osa ye ma just 21 days e no ye di nyanya e na fe no bina ho do just 21 days e wo sa ase tu diabetes e 42 days ye wo eye powerful plant wo ha eno no obeye na atu ase ama enam ye de abusua gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis eno mpodi ye ba ye nkoho because just 21 days omo moto ye ndo no free me ahoto no edi adanse so kwa adwiri wagu ho wako ache said the atie bia no ye sure boy rekete just 42 days BP any diabetes e wo so a e ade a e din se wan hwe ya obetimi anya stroke say ade mienu wo so a one he wadi die mu ye anya aduane bia na wo Saudi 2 men di anajo man we na mo no spices enye mfa maw tadi fruit na di vegetables nso bebre ene betimi aboa okwan bebre so kube ni nsuo ene ankatwede bi piaduro no enti wo se prekase e da table yi so prekase we bebre na hu bepen o ma konkono Ghana na Israel pe na bi wo e very powerful out to the sense yade ahodo mako 73 ene esa ba unim ne ayenti no tambia na ubunu saa o ye nkwan kura umfa bi ntum pepacho bi piaduro kese pa ni omo enam yade abusua gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis ni ade no we enyanya unse nyanya kura me no so na duro enie number na we skin so me pacho fa number no sisi a wo fra ye na so ye won kran ukọ agirenga no ubenya bi La Paz ubenya bi Kasoa ubenya bi Techima fo be hu Techima Wangara imam ena afi omo takrade enso be kwa hu takrade Western Regional Deputy Chief Imam ena ya mfri dunkwa odi aso nkronkro ba bi a wo bia de fa number no na enkyere obi ho a obenya bi ye ni branch ho so na wo se ye package di man wa ye de be ma no na wo hu na so ye na ade ba ko ama fana heba agidin kese pa wo wi ase sa bere yi no abasobode kese akwa ade ama ye no he sa ade we kura me no when your friend 77 India heba secret no ye ti out 77 India heba secret 7 no nkyere bibia eye saade we kura me na haban we natural way di triti eye yade ahodo na obi wo ho a ne yade no wako ache wo hu ni poma sebere obi wo ho yade no yankese waduro enso be ko hospital no won be cheke ye hu he yade no nke wo na aduro wo sen kesa enso wako hospital hodo ni nyina de otia na otie 2 ye bi wo ho a na sasa enso di nachi ye po ye nim se spiritually no ye onema bebre nso a ekuntie nipa enti wo ba ye nkramofo mu se ya suratu jini wo ho nyankopon akire kwan a jini ene ade motia ne ade timi fa so wura nipam enti na one major aspect no your ba ta kata utiri so menjeja utiri nwi basabasa wo ye be ma menjeja oboso basabasa na mabonte menjare anajo ena mentu nsuo ngu anajo we tetetete na na mo kire ye ene mafo ya ba yato saade ni nyina agu enti ama saade no timi koyemu ema obehu se nipa no awo bere be we kire no na konfo we so malam we so sofu we so bo na be nsem bebre ye chaw natural way banya wodi betriti saa adewe enti rukia kese na mede kira won unya saa etoa we a unya homachem betwa mu 7 na wape odi aba ene kura me no bebre taame awu o taame a wo bewu bisa se dent na moto ne din taame awu haban bi a ye de pam sunsun bone enti so bi asasa di wachi enti wo be obi say good adansi
ye ntiem bra
me ba sisi a obi say meton ayento obi say obi beda mesom de na obi ene meda obi say ne de ne promise and fail obi say ne de no sikato ne sema na adane abosen a me pa chaw natural way enu ne enti wo ye kramoni a wo de kuru allow 7 fatia 7 and ayate kushu 7 ene bedware wo ye Christian a beka quotation 7 na wonim e wo Bible mu ana wo bompaye 7 times no de adwa uni Ghana ba bi a wo bia ne package e de manu mo bi nka sa o machem yaduro mabisa ona na mo kan wasam nkyero mo bi nka nkyero so odi aba yaduro oil ahodo ne ade ahodo ni na ya sa ne ma no mo de ye enti na ye ka kyerɛ wo se hwe na kyerɛ kwan what di na chai ne ye pie de amount say we a very powerful spiritual planter natural way kwampa obefa so atriti yenti adansidie imams ahodo abasobode ene wonum a atriti wo mo ama mu di adanse pewa no yenti emra sisi a
di kwade a mesre amanfo ne se wa bibi hawo entwe ma ade hawansa bomadian se obeye Indian 77 no na fa bo ho ban se de be ya entwe ma ne ma yare wonim se yare wo ho a di kan bo ho eban enti me kanfo Indian 77 se obi a woda wo so da ye bone obi a ne wokodwa wo hunu se de nidwa asitie obi a beye ha no obi a motia anase arjani ha no me kanfo saade we edi maw sa wuto a wo beka se eye nokore yentimi magina baabi sa embo nyankopon di entwa kontompo se ade ne nya adwuma ne aka kyew se ade ne ya adwuma enti me kanfo sa Indian 77 no edi ma gidifo nyina se wo ye muslim ni se wo nye muslim ni se wo ye dian bomadian se wo benya sa aduro no na wo di abo ho ban ye wo eno wo ho ane ye wo stroke de wo ho ye wo BP de wo de wo beji bia no e ya de a e betumpon ade ama wo misra me nuanom ma me nuanom nkremofo ye nya abosomfie ko ye nya asofo entrofo ye nya malamfo atrofo na ye nhwe se we ayarukia wo enye aduru a yase ye kofa ne baabi ayarukia nti sa wonye gidie wo mu na wo de ye wadwuma masha Allah utumfo yankopon ebe shira
fine wona na busu fa yusu ne hisa bi watamle ba ko so boko o se won to bi mbronti obato akomom nyina nti yenko yenya malamfo aboso hokọ ene asofo atrofo ne amafo ye azano yen use be no ankasa use be on na busuafo ohun se fine Allahu akbar no ka wa
enti wo pe bi e wo Ghana ha ba bia no ye de mane ka se ka ba okuro no so nko ade oni problem obi sa se haba no ne we nipa ne menya bi ye package ni nyina de bom ni ade ama no frɛ number na we screen so no ye wie program na o frɛ de be busy because nipa be 1000 nipa be 800 nipa be 300 obi e frɛ nti enne o ka sa wo frɛ e be busy e ye busy e ma oba mu national TV man sek no sarabutu that as no mpaibo nyagopon tu nkwanam won kira wonya wo kese mu kese last week sa 77 Fana Heba International South African award a omode ema yen inshallah national chief imam papa pompaye eguso edemaye esirai eguso ewo sa anamompa se desani di no ho asi wo se obe sa adasa yare ewo no kure kwan so perepere ye kwan so ya bi biduro kwan so nti national chief imam Sheikh no sarabutu esirai management no pompaye edema wo mo ewo anamompa a wo mutu ede boa Ghana enti wo hwe screen so na wo say national chief imam award no na wono mo ede kokko kire no award no e baaye no se na we are 77 na enya Ghana hanko o Cote d'Ivoire fo Benin fo Togo fo asada enyame dia twedian ponyan kropon basekuo yi adom wo say utua na mompa ene ade a kambia no ena se woto muso so besa nipa yare wo no kure kwan so perepere ye kwan so a tambia nkunimdie eye wo dia
adofo se mu hu se megina ha wo yiri ye friend 77 na me ye nipa bia na me yare asiche yare na me call doctor no doctor for hwe mu a na ma call doctor we wo mu hwe mu a no sa na eye sunsun mu yare eti obi tira me say me konko 77 na me koye me ko hu doctor no na o ma me sa 77 bi na de 77 ya ma me wo ye kita me ade ya ma me no enya sem ketwa se me ka se me di hu adanse a wan hwa ade bechi obi a wo da na be ma na wo da obi a wo so da ya na obi ne wo da adofo me sra wo say ko ne ko hu 77 eti sa me se wo te me nka me
yes nti eno no Majid
Kadaje
ye see numbers no so because bo mo so
sabe wo achichiri benche ya number no ne hia ebere ni nti yentimi bo yare ni nyina eno nti sa wante wo yare afre se ye ho aduru a ye beka kire wo na kire away kwampa so a wo be fa so atichi wo ho number no ye 0599 00 27 66 and 0599 00 0599 002767 so nin kranya ba bia wo Ghana bia no o ma package ade amane ka ade amount wanti enchiremu na se ya fa number no keke na frɛ na agi enchiremu no eye e wo chichi ne benche Ghana ba bia branches so ho a obetumi anya bi enu nti no verse diabetes ulcer hepatitis enam yade abusua stroke BP e wo so a ni kwata ne say onsa ebeka sa adure bi bia be ko edi amount
wo nti 777 ana wate mpenfon kan Fana Herbal 777 Indian Herbal and I don't know wo shark yemfa commercial sem reba na Luther edierem eofie
na metesa wo ba no se wo Canada
woko suku
na yesi ajape aba no nso okọ na nso no de okoye adwuma
mese amanfo akọ no enya gro
jaye no ho na de won okọ saa no
Express Group for ya
Express Group
yes Express first group obia na nya bre best otu kwa ama no ne de wode obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Na say you visit and now turn so a go Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia and Germany numa wode obekọ. Say you juma so a wode obekọ Dubai, Qatar and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Kumasi Asafo Labor Runabout Wa Encrying Kanachi First Light Tema Community 18 Lashibi Goy Filling Station Sunyani Silver House Ewo High Court Tamale Ayama Building Yabe Tamale Teaching Hospital Takrade Market Circle and our offices our my bebre so telephone 055550067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha time HH heba Mr. Bina Unumi and ya what dropa a ya draw a ya draw say a manipaduan kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare and train yare and san wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono wonwa and the time HH heba Mr. Edia bejaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu enumbi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso enumbi time HH heba Mr. Who benya bi over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH heba Mr. Eyadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Nina Ashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Oh, that the evidence bang. And then Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya moku eh Ashford Princess. And now bra could you so eh Ashford Galaxy. What dear na ira no so eh Ashford Evident. Media so eh Ashford Executive. And now media no so eh Ashford Friendly.
That Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me ba udodomi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. Etu phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They were so winning.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bad.
And not so beautiful.
Not tell me about Michelle, see about Queen Wayne and say,
Bra, said your time about Mr. Essia Jimmy fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Maybe do this offending now.
Bra, some make us a made time about Mr. Huadancia. We are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Mr.
I never go, dear, no more to I want to meet any deal. Where do any time about Mr. A great and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one mark for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time near TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever be at an ziva a woman. Ubenya be at all over the counter medicine sellers.
Any herbal shop to do a namu.
FDA aji a judging cratoi at all.
The Mama Kwababa, gentlemen. Gentlemen, center. Like you do and say you be see will sing na yabo will sing hoban ama wonum enso ati anase will sing animal nyam so afa na ntuma pa efura fe ye sign eye cleaning services oba ye profession mo na ye finish clean and polishing say ebia enema bi ahyehyɛ ɛsen mu sɛ bi okasa etimi ma pampan ɛne ade ɛbɛ mu afei ebi wɔ nso ana ne sen wɔ nya messing teeth yɛ wɔ ne si no ahodoɔ bebree oba gentleman dental yɛ ne nyina bi wɔ gentleman dental clinic yɛ wɔ Koforidua Central Police Station nkyɛn hɔ a ɛna woduru nkran so a yɛ wɔ Nungua ɛna Atomic Down dɔme kwa benya runabout no so hɔ ɛna woduru Takoradi pipe ano traffic light na ɛwɔ pipe ano hɔ yɛ ne OGN bank na ɛwɔ the same premises ɛna Kachima nso so yɛ wɔ magazine market kwan no so hɔ a anase opposite AY Ahmed ɛna udru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no wo free Total Filling Station na yabron sign na edi ho ye adwuma free eda juada kopem eda memeda.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses ni ha. General art, science, business, na waka kahon. Ever St. Andrews SHS oh yeah, dinner ever pass. Osana one teachers na. Wash a wando, discipline, no first one was yati. St. Andrews Riviera Waha, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Hurricane Abate, Pico Farm say, what is Jimbo from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Bibiera Wagana, Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, go school over Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
Vodafone Ghana, Essa Ako Telecelo.
Haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa prekesa ne sa nua bayi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye prekesa powder siesi ni pedua na ba akwa ahodo no ho ban afiri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma ba akọ freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma ba akọ ewo ne nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekesa powder to Kingswalk Heba ne Heroes Heba, Accra, Okesi Drug Lane, Denny Heba, Umase, Mensa, Takrade, Mose Pharmacy, ni Green Light Pharmacy, Sunyane, Cash and Carry Supermarket, Asantua Heba, near Bibidro Depot, Techiman, Sewa Heba, Mampong, at to form fre 0550 19 15 14. Prekese powder, Ayabiane, Sanye Drew, FD Ashisha Sankra to Muajiatum.
Yes, yabafie na yababeto aso de afifie Luther ewa ha na Fibo Ventures enso ese yemfanto wonim se bomode anso beba po segolin mu anano na mubusa se hemfa na mubenya dodo enso atu ni nyina no neoma no bi asaba begum ti po segolin wa woni kuma simple na be so fa a toothbrush and a toothpaste ni bi nso e de kwhye wo shop no mu na wo ton ewa bra wo ton ni nyina ne sanse ye papa nti e kontem emanfa so no ye wankasa wo dia ye Fibu omone de Ashford Prince and Ashford Princess aye toothbrushes na aba yawa Ashford Evidence afei wo benya no friendly and Galaxy and Ashford Executive and so account na ban toothpaste no so ayo Afrefresh herbal toothpaste na chese no bo kumwani nyina and so awo chese o see achi unu dodomo afei ban Get Clear toothpaste no so aboa ama wonum etoso kama aloe vera de enim dwumadia aloe vera edi edema ni pedua no ntinei siane aloe toothpaste and so ade abedwa so a also bomodi answer sa toothpaste no bepe bi and so ato ana peppermint and so de no ema wonum eye hwam e wan nyoma nyina so kokama and so de my bow gum and ho ba ma osene nya ho de mapa a chese san fefefe mo ni monyam no and so epie ye nti from e was 0200 600 934 0241 545646 na fibo and so enjoy so 21st clinic as a brana yen two or sciatic no as emau or sciatic nerves our problem I catch you say and hono ye two asian tiabasana one sound ko ema bosumi ba ko achi one sound me yiska so ba besa ho yade we do 21st clinic nyame adomowura no enya bad crying tb bia ye kama entinya hono ba ba juicy kede no ntina me se ko ho na kwaje wayares efa free hono entire free wa chika se no mu ba woto ba woto asesane dia ba wosiram o 9 kokom 9 to o calf no ene chese o Achilles so eko 19 ene chese no duaman kaza si from no se o problem ewom emutwetwon emututu ama nante akra ho ye odia 21st clinic kase yen kan cho se bra ye wo sunwane ewon kranse sa wo tachiman enti importamon foro nyina o samoba en crime dome market ana feel boase ye wo cancel court junction Kumasi a Shaw overseas junction I ben Alpha Radio 0540 311 311 0249 311 311 Luther
fancy
say be I find here
nyame adomo na also
kakra nyame adomo
ye de nyame
Sompa sports
ebrana nyaso
here pa very necessary
na yan shase ensem odo ya boabo no na no pay e full time so afisem ne yemfa ma ya hwefo ne yetiefo yan shase free MTN FA Cup ne ka MTN FA Cup for the year 2023-2024 season no na semi finals no etimi to dwa Soga Kope Park na ukowramo Soga Kope ba bia wo faso makan no na Saturday Sunday dwumadi ni timi ba so na yenya teams mi no so far omo abuki omo take it omo ekopiem e the finals eno team omo fi sunwane from bofa kwata no omo qualify omo ko finals so na team fi nsuatra ye fa nsuatra man FC omo yenu na Asia na no na nura yenya daje na etweben opanyina okọ MTN FA Cup committee na opanyi proper committee chairman ye fa no Bosin Ata ene bi so opanyina fana no mu de kwene ekọ Accra Legon hona anase yenim se eya bunu mpatam wo fa na ekọ finance no ntimba consider nam de akọ bunu mpatam wana yente owura Bosin Ata
unofficially no yenya say no but on say high match na a national event and you know enya dia ubetumi aka say teams we ne go muti share awaye stadium a won come out no muti plans awaye me dem awaye na wo to go because teams no me no akopia say there be enya ne sa I mean sure say UEFA Champions League we need to go Wembley can they say oh because Bayern ni we epim yi di akọ Germany enya ne sa na
and you sama chairman ma MTN FA Cup committee on monyam for Bosin Ata ese yenye ne sa yentimi nkaso mu nyina free Bono region enu ntino ye de final no ekọ yenye ne sa babia already o ma select ese University of Ghana Stadium o Legon ho na hwa na ebekọ na nuchi na sa game we ya ho sensama odo abetodwa ne nyina no sa na no Saturday na bofa kwafo ene eye tima ye fe no Legon cities a boy and nessa ukororo mo ampacho tima ye friend bofa kwani Dreams FC and a boy on Sunday na omo boy mo qualify na Saturday no na akwensu atraman team no any tima ye friend Legon cities and a boy na insu atrabo wie no omo ba no and the club president the board chairman edima tima ye friend insu atraman FC e bana no sha bofa kwata no team no ese omo so e kwakopem Soga Kope ho e no ma team no light and omo bass ni ginaye and wo yi sika and wo de che team a ye fe no eye bofa kwata no o this kind of chom ya bo game na wie ye nka bi nhemu na roma bofa kwata no omo supporters coordinator ye fe no Ben Kuluvi ababo nti se omo hia
onmonyamfa were politician ye fano Ignatius Bafwa Sunyan West MP where the president man swatrema boboko no omu hiane mu a sikana wode ama bofa company fama bofa company mfa ageno omu mfa ni sika enkomane enten sam ni nkyeremu a Ben Kuluvi Edemaye
Emilia atuma obisa mi emse na team no ko so ga kope enko bobo na omuko bobo no mbeduru nra na no krani nyame anim na ye kwa ni bi sa si wo na osi election news ya friend akfm omo sports omo ye na omo panel bako aize omo kasa wi kra no kasa ma membo ona bo bafo awu abaso na bofo akwafo omo ko ayi omo muska ni so friend na mi bi sa se se metini ya mi bi sa se ni ya ka mi bi se bofo akwata no omo ko so ga ko pen bafo awu e ba iska e no kra na host ga ko na me na babo ya nisika adisa me de yin na mo aba na nisika no mo ko die de me as supporters coordinator after program na me wura team bisa management member bi no mo chere me say ampa bi that year na uze bobo akwa ye bobo no Sunday na ntwatema mo de Saturday na according to nipa no osu omu ko Bruce oga ko fe na omu wura ko mo no no mo ne onu bafo awu ahia no mo la che omu gina na oni sika bi mo according to source this can 1,000 Ghana ebi ni say 10,000 Ghana this say 20,000 Ghana they nyewu no kro but the home ni say I am pass that can omu die this can na supporters ni antia say that can what the mo say dia can get no this can mom say they no more because for now no the here bafo awu bad na
Omuhia Bafo Awua Emwa Sunyan West Empia ono ene the board chairman de man swatrema boboko no ono ansa club no president omuhia ne moa ne ati asam no ya na so yekọ inswatrema boboko no ne nyina no se etesanra omo management ne eye meeting efasa issue we ne yekọ ne club no kasamafo Joel Jempe ekwadi nkwane busa Joel se Joel na eyampa se honorable ama bofofo sika na sika sai and what the mom na botae bay and what the Emma Bofofo.
Yeah, club president, Honorable Ignatius Bafwa is a politician. And aside that, also no, also a philanthropist. I think Obi Onim Papa Nbianim said when it comes to making donations to people, any organizations, even including churches, they will tell you say even before so be a politician, Krano. Na they are otai. To be frank, I can confirm say they say me information I mean from a meeting I have in Rano my ton of an amount of 20,000 Ghana cedis at Metia. The Ushio Mono and before continue and I'm penny for a backo. I'm not okay. Omonye 20,000 cedis in a day. Or fancy full cost. It was a money given to them, so fancy also on Saturday before Saturday Chiama before about a match on Sunday. To be frank, we were shocked, sir. Papa, yes, RDBC, Edema, Bofakwa, a trainer, and issues about than Chinwashoa at the crew. And I know, sir, almost every season, beyond anytime, be a Bofakwa is more financially beyond. There's a papa support home. And even they are Bofakwa and teaching my 11 wonders able play or it's a play of final or crowd. All we Ignatius Bafwa a donative full bus at the supporters of Bofakwa, any media personnel who sunyane and I bravo. So moon full bus on found Congo support to Bofo our crowd during the playoff between Omone 11 wonders. So this is not the first time Papa na IDB sa do bisa na sana in Chemunati.
enu ye nkyeremu a ye konsu atrema boboko no aso ye omuso no ede ema ya yeso ye de ma ye hwese ebenya the CEO edma bofakwata no na ye ne honorable Alexander Babio so edi nkomo na wa clarify no ma bi so de ama ye because ye ntiase honorable donation a ye de ma omo a supporters so omo ntiase na ye twen se ebenya opanyin wa ma no so ye nwuram na enya adwuma wo Ghana ye under 17 aso ye emamo and say what zone B under 17 AFCON qualifiers no sa tournament ne na air shase e Ghana ha na air shase e University Stadium e wo Legona Roma say na ete group A e Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Benin, Oko group B o Burkina Faso, Nigeria, Togo and Niger na eno no ene game no air shase no about 4 p.m. and Jumadi no opening game eba so and the host nation Ghana the Black Stars under 17 Edma Ghana team no Jani Ivory Coast and ede ebe pem so ma bibia kama na ma memfa nto ani ma South Phillies wey ese ene Ghana under 17 no after mu break fast and Ghana the 17 captain and an assistant and free players no and kwa hotel no conference room ho coaching company bianca ho and mo akodi omo nkomo no se hwe ye football asase nie ebekọ ye diama ya enie enye se ye body ama obi a ye body ama ye ho aso man no munye ose qualify ne team ko anim omo kodidi nkomo eno achi no eno anwumre Ghana Football Association president opanyin ES Ket Okraku eso visiting mofra no omo di nkomo ehye omo nkurane eka bibi trom say this is the time e was say omo ankasa career no omo shase no omo shase yie na bia kama na eno achi no de mete coach Laye Kingston enu kwada na tenase edu ono ankasa 1997 onya call up under 17 experience of firm any players are by then ko bi football career ntimi anhwa so a eba na wie no Laye yusu on ne de as a motivation e de am nkoda no wose nkoda no se so mo relaxed and opay omo relax ya omo konya experience every Russia tournament omo ko ntine bibia de damdema the Black Stars bobo ko no ma menkwa homa no so na meni the CEO Edma Bofakwa Tano Owura ye fe no Honorable Alexander Ababio eni enkomo enanope Honorable Timenka Sompa sune ye mo ache amwa kwaba Honorable Mbojide mapasa hona mo boko de
Nyame adom bi aboko amonso
Nyame adom ye krekram Honorable Honorable yenim se why busy de na mo ye clarification bi Nina say ya tese abra bofo munam kwanso amukosi akan e the semi-final stage of the MTN FA Cup muni dreams no Honorable Ignatius Belfo wesiamo eche musika bi de di kan ampa oche musika na oche musika sika sai en wode ma bofo akwa team no na yase ate ese supporters coordinator Edma bofo akwa owura friend Ben Kulvise sika no samuji ya monsanfa sika no nko ni nyina no obekirekire mu sei ene de amaye
yo menya memfa sa kwanya so na mensia wati fo ne asifo nyina ni wo mo no se nanu a tim no ekọ ga kopa akọ boy mtn Africa afọ no ona buba fo wa Asia tim no ewo kwan so ana oma o mutika na ni wo mo no se sika o de ma o mo poten no me ba bi o bi se ni ma no esanse obi na kata me se honorable ama o musika na team nipa olympic no de no ko di o mo ko na e mana e team manager no ono ne leading team no de o mo ko nti ono na sika no oje ye na ye general manager na ba mama ne ona ba team manager ba na mana se honorable ati sika 10,000 Ghana cedis. And this is the amount on a constraint. And the amount of this another energy.
Na yeso ye di nkomo kakra won so atraman yeso ye te se honorable emam 20,000
Dana amampo eka ama bishop in charge on firm catcher me sika no 20,000 na out now menya wo kasai me yenya misa omo ana team manager na dia aka say NFL by sika no physically na dia me mpa mani ehu ye And after budget, statistical from outside and count. It's an epic up a boy before Moko, a Maumesica or Modebeco for the matter. No, and I am winning bonus or a promise or monsono, and they are turning an answer at the amount. Not time and county a budget area and not yet statistical be into baby. It does have now there been more cancer 10,000, been more cancer 20,000. But the Kameme honorable Nankasa after no, Naminine Dim Comona, Mabisano, but I'm so what then in Kakra. Unigana here.
Honorable Mpachona, you see, would ma Bofakata no Bobuku no. Now, what to say, supporters coordinator, Ben Kluvi, SSCano, Monsan and returning.
Yeah, my sister, I think so on one or Sunday, my message, but the Saba, Yaman, and I'm say, I see you take a decision. They were bored or what they take certain decisions that the government could take a decision there. About how to and either how cooling in our action. And say, many that message, I think about the say, you will meet and then you may. And all your bed discuss or and some way be a Hubiano. That the amount supporters.
Honorable, any demo, dear now, would you say Ebesia, Ebema supporters coordinator representing the supporters, Ebeka say, Obi Ababeya, Doya Diama Timno, Monsan Fescanenco, Adamonin Swatremai, Montam Bibo, Ana Mone Honorable Sunya West MP, and Tamni Engo, na Onya Doya Timni Payana.
Oh, because some I could play off or no. Maka or my Sika or Castellan or Accra, Accra, or Shaya Kama or my Sika, some boy, my boy is lay off. Ma, me see, Rabbi Kakra, a buy and Tamo or mobile home na. Supporters, no Mukut, Inan, Tawantawa, and Antamo or Mobandi, you know. Me see the same idea that a month for a carry assembly it could do, you know, near the Adamo. Now you see the area and Yanoma, some way bit next but Amanasa. Intimacy is Fabiano and I show Mumu. And according to almost supporters, also Omuko and Shatra Hono, now share the Atembiti and El Cosmania El Cosoma, Omumu control, Monia and Casabi. And the question is, according to reports, Omokatreme and no. It denies Papa could see between Papa and Instagram. But other than that, no, we are very close to each other. You know, Mokasa because football and never crown yet. Yeah, you know, after ball. So far as I register a team to necessarily limited liability competence, not yet. We foresee that it will continue forever. And not yet. And Kitaudia know about these circumstances now, my son and my resident be about the talk.
Okay. Honorable said the whole cast and then you board no mono mubeshia na mo take decision na mo say sika no mo be return and na say mo return no ye be twen na e meeting no aba na wiye na say mami musa manya wo de mamusa so far some few games to end the season but for mo position yi honorable mo ye den afa ho.
Yeah, you go say you preparation say your matches are akana you be na abona kama. The thing is, a player's salary, I come with other forces say this nature. Because now, first, woman who asked now, the players not have 1 month salary in TI. The month of people, but yeah, Bob, who are experience, I think I can meet my bayana. Then you bear a bit a few players, almost salary, I come 1 month. But with respect to moving bonuses, yeah, it's changing, including MTN FA Cup. The training and you say MTN FA Cup no normally buy in winning bonus. In winning bonus, but we know almost on your promise and no more promise not to get apostolic. And besides that, the Osha is in a players will be appropriate. The key players will be prior. But the main charge of Moon has not recovered now. Osha FA Cup now a boy and now. They have 3 or 4 of them a boy. And also Amatin no more and also Apostle. Until you are preparing, and nowadays, supporters no management, no call, training grounds also, Acosta boys, and nothing available on the show, Mooncoin. Until you are preparing towards the 5 matches, my account. We are hoping that it may, a full team, and my ethic about the rest of the matches. Now, if it is
hello, Honorable.
Yeah, hello. Mama Kate, preparing very well into the digital young point to the
Okay. What they open me, John Wakonem, team of friend of former qualify for the MTN FA Cup finals. Money in Swatreman FC Nicosia. Then said your bed Genosono, one, and Patem Obenya the bragging right. Secondly, Obasaya representing Ghana or CAF Confederation Cup. The Edu South way Sika Semo, honorable Boffa Quatano, I ready for CAF Confederation Cup. If Omu winia.
Yeah, my thing is that right now, no, but be a team, no, I could do no. One, the percentage of your survival, then you're very little a league, you know. Into your matters, not yeah, for a young passer, you big dump, I could do any more bread, doing a hey, I just say, it's one or more. Into right now, not there, Nina, I have a sponsor because Confederation Cup, no, as I said, we are teacher, Cup, by accepted. As I say, we are recruitment and a very team, a very strong. And yes, as I say, representing here, a represent Ghana, but we should have a positive impact. Then you drink the cocoa or mobile, or master standard, they are my team to be on the Africa. And I think that, as I say, it's me, yes, I am. Now, as a party, the ball, I am money as a say. It is not for the fun of the month after month. Now, of course. But with a board and I come if you say, bit me,
Honorable, you better say, Obra J and Opay at a church in Simbimu Edemai.
Madam, as a family, America does supporters in and say, a very more demo and almost support. If you're best as a month or more, the Dipa, Omonia, but normally and Kata. Now, never know Omodi a before a carbon tonight. I'm watching my best of Omonco Macman the Dia as a Diana. The Bayer Omonco so no supported him. And some Madam as an aircraft, Madame.
And you and some of your tuga, your dear Amamona, fancy, Mekona, Kotoko. Okay. On some medical, they are to say recruitment and season better you on Bessa Sentem. Yeah. Now, them said Dr. Ogum, ni coach Kwesiapia contacted Ameturi. So Omon pet. Players ma omo. No, when you 4 players be or Dema Kotoko. Na Baku ye striker Edma Racing Club or Bijan. Okay. Na your friend Sila Sidiki Muhammad. Bo goes. Me harmonia. Boy ne pa offers abanu team so abo. Onye just 22 years of age. Wow. Na Obana Baku so be free cotton sport. Aba. Na Kotoko dem say omoba. Ombe mo be training justify about 2 to 4 matches. No mu wi a Dr. Oguma chire mpanyifo die ntia o se omofa wo mo. Tiwe oba. Your friend Sila Sidiki Muhammad. Ne 9 siwa. Na opai short or your goalkeeper short ndu puba. Sa we na meko opompu ama. O son short ma. O son short ma. I infum abo short. Sila Sidiki. Infum short no bia. Se manya daje. I'm monitor. I'm not boss short. Oh, Dani Pito dancing ni bi no. Me say when anim din on shut down one twice Aguero type no. Okay. Na oba. Sa Kotoko agent league you. Me say ya Kotoko supporters mo pese lack be dinachi. Next season ba biawu e de ama wo mo. Na Henry Ansuso omne Chelsea game no ene has we doubtful because na omo de ade ahye ho oprai no. Ene Henry Ensu de eba no ena Kotoko for say official invitation be free Nigeria mai. So mo nkobo enugwa ni nemo has bo game 3 p.m. ne omne Atebebu Tornado FC Pobi mai. Na me patcho ma me Atebebu for pictures no. Atebebu Tornado mu nie omo kodru nkran ena ho ma che 3 ena omo ka ni Atebebu Tornado FC na omo kodru Atebebu omo fra Atebebu no anajo da bi omo de bas no ko so pre omo twa bas ma omo kodru no pe no omo kwai warm up kakra aka wetin dey akwa na fans omo twa bas ni mi o bas de hen Luton fi obia na Ghana Premier League clubs we edudo say we division 2 clubs fi obia o be so chance say how dey carry Atebebu be sin twa mu kuma so kwa akra I don't know how yes am da o esini baby Dabi Atebebu kura no Luta so when you sanyo Atebebu de sanyo na talo bia ayi tidi ni bia Dabi and 3 p.m. na heart of folk okay and ebo anopa oyi hours for we training and Atebebu Tornado FC
omo ye warm up kakra sa boy we sa boy we
if you know cry also have virus me za amunya also be yes
he said the tituntum no bo
and so has be sign no
me say no has answer to Tornado FC players bear 4 some stories I me breaking team club president why pano
okay when is Oscar
was so supply pano na we a boy crown put him to cook no akwa
masa no come on masa if you be abia so I was my catch all
panyo okay there be Satan no fans na team na oye gino na omuniska Satan body chin to Quatin Rangers Satan on femi Luciano enfeno Madrid enti team no be na omukache team run say omuniska enti team run so ye enam ho adwuma enti omo de adwena Patrick Enten
sometimes some of the city of Krakojinipa.
Next, I'm not me call.
Next, think Canadian Kebia bear 95,000 Ghana cedis. That me found.
So that's another tilapia back here. Say, anti Saturn can tell. I don't can tell. If I said the baby 7,000 more corner. Saturn division 2 players
70 million. And I mean 150 million man.
Was that yo? Because I was 95 Ghana. Salam Tino.
Whoa, Mammy, yet was when I feel Rammy na young queen real quick now. Boris B chicken, Bomodian sa cook on the way. A fiaco Ghana cook on a biana any animal slami. I any animal club for more beer come my some pointy, more pretty restaurant and a chobane, a year 18 jointing now the be a year piania craboni baby tobia. And ya haram is nam halal and to nam the free Boris beef full chicken and just wings and a gizzard no one sa ebeka bi Bantama High Street and Presby sorry Jan Sha Swanson Market and fe Santa Serana about old draw now pakukwana ni biata one sa ebeka 0544444453 Kunlun Ghana Limited we aye China for no bina anom de aye sandu pay and some de abedwa so ha manu nyina na ewom ameka se bema wadro aye hunchu capsules ano na beboa wodron so ane mo achemienu wodron so awote yaw ewo bemem obeso bo prostate ahoban ewa brain enlargement emma aye hunchu capsules ane beboa Mr. Q ebe sexual weakness everywhere ama bema drum pasua obegina so etimi a kire sampa wo bememu na so oba edro beboa ama chese menstrual pains menstrual disorders afei oba uni atenka ewo mpem na awo hunsem ebe simple and so amount Araba Bazen tablet ni nyina no aye China nupa ahwasem ana ye kan and so ade atrofre kulun was 0244 275429 0206 271016 now on impenfono and so enkasa obeso two kwan dia express group and a do kwa kwantu mu nsem nyina no yemfa nkoda express group e ban say we school ni obeso to us our manone and what nurses and midwives am obesa mokotoa madwuma so our Canada US UK Australia New Zealand afei obeso rem and so our Germany and nyina no express group empenfono do kwa we no enye kululu and enye 419 visa wo mo jama requirement ni nyina ayot no and pass score yen and ya babwa Kumasi ha asafo labor runabout and cry ya wo Kaneshi first light and afi udru ayeta krade so market circle on ma pe no wo benya express group 0555550067 and afi 0249000448 meza yemfa dia kan kakra miensa na me fair course no
fancy na as I board team no bo middle league final as I board we say ni area mo team abon ho modern ni area team
there no
Mid City Club
okay ewo Domi Abraham oh nice
oh mo nya person
how much bia who say bas ni ye adwuma na yeah we serious.
Wow. It has a word area. Ni area home na ti say no say team na nkasa no mu hia no park ne so baba yara. Train no. Administrator papa. Omo ne chairman solo. A team no Galaxy. And about the final I think we'll be there to watch that particular game.
Okay.
Once normally ana division 2 middle league you know. Ana tension ne the kind of quality you get from it, you know. Because I normally tie a local derby. Otanya or more nini momo now for form dia group boom no more be share on the field of play. Na omo babo inti na about 3 p.m. You can copy more Baba Sports Stadium na Middle League Division 2 final between Galaxy FC and Mid City Club ni akwa hwe bia ma bibia.
Yes, so do qualify ba
Division 1. Yes.
Yeah.
You be qualify by Division 1. We qualify by Division 1 inti. I was here showing what adwuma na fancy. Mama ya bofa kwa ne issue atrema issues no. Nuafo ntokwa. They shouldn't allow this particular issue to
transcend.
Area on
time no na me nim say bia so bi adoyena na bia to say bia bi mpa na say
that's what I'm saying.
There's more to it.
These things shouldn't be. Enya there was your so bebre man e be a big matter. And away timi we are coming like these are petty issues. Fancy and the reason na yet no there are many things you could think about the progress of your club than some of these unnecessary things. Club no be boy FA Cup final.
Mumie nusu na ehia. And I'll be more be say bia o de ama nkwa na 10 Ghana citizen
you need a clear focus up for game now me I have more reservations about the two teams who qualify for the final. I have my personal reservations about I felt there should have been a continuity path for Dreams FC again. But that is football. That is how Ghana.
That's what they want qualify.
That is how Ghana football city.
Yes, I grab one person ba be say na Kate team tina Kate qualify. Kroma de ni momo.
Ye ni momo pa. But I have my own reservations about that.
Say bia o ka so onko mumienu no bia ka so onko de semi finalist no. Na bia amaka say bia.
Omienu so de ye hwe because e bia ba ko betimi akoba ko so ntimi nkwa. Nya hwe de o mesiti abo.
Mate. Verse.
Na Luther about Kotoko players no. Players are winning ball borders on may justify.
Just to see a trial.
You could justify.
No, carry your young Capamuno.
You justify.
What I said, normally medium say be on shit and nimness. And I be so scouting report in videos near the shit and was scouting. Mukwala, they say season and I was Sanka Mukwala Banakano. 2 years later, and no buy. No Mukwala the buy. Send a woman who nail Mukwala videos. And Fegi,
and Bella and trials. Moses Porti and your trials. Zeze and your trials. Fabio Gama and your trials.
It's
Luther say Ombo we are now coach national reason here say four.
Any players no or more form. Any players more form. But we do no. We not justify players who. We not justify some more. But we are team in nam no the we are no see kwene almost so much to Kabia na club ne dey no. Top players already made players to come and make masters and go to team no. And not justify them because they say no more you team no more tino. Babe kotoko no. And do the you team Sakophobia be justified? Yeah. Then there is no direction. No, there is no direction for the club. Just no more dia because under 17 for you himself or more and the makotoko. Sa adeno muyano. Already made players or more ball and when under 17 for no air tire moto. Team no coach say one yana in the players are no pe obano. Inti afei na wonya time we pay the players and yet justify players na ye be justify they should get quality players o ko asek fo no kotoko be boy wa boy uram player back me ni bi agidi mo de mo so no wa fa no Africa ye kosu hebi zamalek ba ma wo mu players mu fa bi dream safety bo Africa mu fa bi
ose
o mu zamalek players no mu fa bi
$5 million near Chile.
Fabi na so person ye football na o nya o pass glory na so person ye ni say Omon Fabi Ghana how him Aziz mono what says some that you team and yet justifies him. They say you justifies him biao kotoko omon fa players o mini born no me adwuma ne mfa momo so
more justify anyway in the cry you see you go out and then identify your target players ben I recommend your my ba positions ben baby ya won here o team mu ana I hope you get it. Okay. Now players no more bano. Omo free never. What is their status? Through this same initiative, yenya Eric Serge Zeze enya bone. But say eno ba be a main way na But the way I looked at the story, maybe it was just that he was exaggerating. Yes, I say yes, so many papa na dieng. So I don't need to justify.
One times I'm a true players now recommending my clubs in them so far. I now to so many now so
good.
Say Sahana bed yeah.
You can. Oh, I will home up your home. Don't
be justified. Sign Juna de from Kotoko Junior so befa foreign nationals naba. But they have 2 as near contract running out of Umbe sign home. And I know the Ehunya. Mukwala the contract be running.
Mukwala na so better na bim there. Omo obey na sembela de na bia.
Obey na so be ko.
Bia we club ni push back player in question and you ready to be your best and because ofu say on say from Uganda no at the Baha no. And then Ghana no Mike league na e bibi nti na ma aye BBO. You understand? Yes, because on count me rate Uganda league out of Ghana. So players no fuse as a kind of springboard. 1 onya kotoko, 2 onya house of folk. What man say those clubs na me van say no more vibrant outside Africa because Ethiopia money at it. That is why to say coach from Manson Bano Mano to 4.
Yes.
And say to 4 no. Yeah, on me fan simple. How many years ni? Obo Jinisi Kaba.
Yes.
You understand? So omo no ba onya be bono onya one fine season. Opa any den.
On to na be.
It's such place no fana. And finding your project so within the next 2-3 years project.
And a fancy
fan say be a bit me see
a whom he see a form. Just a pan it a whom ya. A kotoka player about Tiana salaries in the BBA. Mukwala want man for Kotoka you. The salaries in the BBA goes our son to go now. But the man.
No, they didn't come or say, Ebia, club ni make any move now. Both of make move, but a couple player and say be on so be na yen so
yes sika semu na say den
sika dia san ke bia club no be well and say be obetu am be reach on a compromise but e bia nipa no fu say be be adru agent amane team be bia outside Ghana e san Africa here bia crowd be move on
oh yeah quick no
san ya no mute.
The question is why do you make such purchases?
Yes.
Okofasa players no but I be nete one oba be bobo na ma it adds and I create a certain competitive way be the mount ama on the field of play nyoma koye. 2 wo the BB can player no because so ba no obo ne homodin a say ne value no first na 50,000 and now ne value no shooty e de ko be 100,000. So it means that player no say o free won chen akwa there should be a certain commercial value I will benefit from because you made an investment. So what is a return return on investment? If I saw ben on your frame park in so the enkwa you signed him be sure say transfer fee be call then obeshe wages bonuses certain other benefits are player ni benya dey free ho now say o free wakwa there should be something anya hwekra a token a obenya to compensate you for player ni loss but it should not be bobo 2 years now the contract anete on renew contract ninti or distance a bit dicey. Men kaseni in our clubs no, but how we are not able to overcome such setback no, a bit too many. Fabio Gama by same Muntari Nyan, my friend is saying Muniru Sule Muniru today. Obai Oko ye who in figure as it stands now, Kodokon to mean tono enyeska enfenfrenimu. So with all the where the viewpoint say a beton near escape frame no looks like just in Bella and I'm more something of a transfer fee and amount we there can frame basically the rest are living for free. So is it something I didn't fast war break and I beside honsa they be a mutual bet no they be a me over 1.5 or more over 1.5 and to me it's the same exactly the point here yako form ba. Most of them, they live for free. Then are yet to improve the situation. Let's ask ourselves these questions. Are we learning lessons? Yeah, fancy. Is that about the Canadian? Maybe I mean, shut them who way be a woman.
Before semi yasem company. Before semi and yasem. How do you cover match against Heart of Lions? You won't say Dr. Momo Kakra. Don't tell what you have. Yeah. Come out to you for Niska.
I want you and our club no so from Sunyako. So some sure say a proud to from because ni nim say bia bofo be qualify also mo kono na ono abonmo 10,000 Ghana say bia mo nyina mo region back on say bia at least a bit me out to full in so crabby
but am better
from the moon or
so who is Ignatius Bafwe honorable Ignatius why
MP
so MP
good enti Sunyane hono why regional minister penyo
yes
and they are a cabinet minister
yes
Anna Osanso ye the face of Nansenya the MPP flag bearer the vice president Alaji Mahmoud Bawumia Ekoshiano. He was amongst the names mentioned say and considered as a running mate.
Oh, okay.
So he's a potential vice president into ono akba beye batan kese wa beye father. So he's a father figure. Don't just see him as the owner of Enswatreman. Oh yes, you are being petty. So I won't limit honorable Ignatius Bafwe the bad level now. You are being petty. He is a father figure. No ye janinti and found whatever is going on between parties. No, say ebimo ni ebimo they are engaged in the field. Ebimo kontoka ebimo ye way or more ye way and funny who on any day say. Oye timwa u free eye me man temuaba. U free me region mu anaba. Men share Emmanuel and say, I also need to help. And Ubisa Alex, I said, even when they were playing the middle league, he was a donor. I hope you get it. So some of these things, perhaps they are not even contributing financially to the club.
But I said, supporters, no. On an essence, common 10,000 Ghana. They visit 20,000, visit 10,000.
Oh, no problem. They can return the money. But if you do, you can return it. You see, these are the things we have done. Secondly, similar things. 11 wise. Hazakes, omoye ya na sisi clubs in the division.
Mike.
But the more cost na moye ya mo nyoma say ya.
Unfortunately, my lines ni mienu nyina no. Networks na free so my lines ni mienu nyina nti mo mfa nche me. Mo mfa nche na aba na se nyina atiko. Mo mfa nche me wo. Shark maminya birthday wishes no quick. Happy birthday going out to Medina Munawala. Medina Munawala or Konfanoche Rural Bank. KO branch from Ketri Obi and I say yeah show. Yeah, I would happy birthday going out to you. A special happy birthday going out to Shirley Mains of Santasi Kokoben Ketri Obi once again yeah Shirley Mains of Santasi Kokoben yeah I would Obi so you know be the papa. Oh, okay. Happy birthday to Abena Constance. CEO Edema Abicon's collection. Abena Constance Abicon's collection and one so birthday from Edinese of a show. Happy birthday. And also to Abigail Danso and Yama Abigail Danso. Happy birthday Elko and so Amanyamin Shana or Mabibia and you're fine. And my dear chat to 30 million Martins Nyame. 30 million Martins Nyame from Ofada, 30 Martin, and I say, yeah, we show our panini, never penning part, Nabibia, and so, and you're fine. Well, yes, sorry, so now I'm a news, and so Abanyame Aduma, repem,